In this video, I'll show you how to detect moisture in USB port error on Android. Firstly, navigate to your phone settings. Go to Apps and then tap on the icon, usually 3 dots menu, and select System or Show System Apps. Use the search bar to find USB settings. Go to Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache to remove any stored data related to USB settings. Go back and restart your phone. Now, turn off your phone completely and press and hold the power button and the volume button simultaneously to enter boot mode. Use the volume buttons to select Reboot System Now and press the power button to confirm. Now, plug your phone into a high-power charger or a stock USB connector to ensure sufficient power for the device to boot up. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.